Hey guys, tell me now, have you wondered how traders spot opportunities live without overthinking or endless analysis? So today I'm taking you inside the real OTC sessions where I show you every move and every trade as it happens and explain you in detail. Will we catch your setups or will the market surprise us? Let's find out together. Well, guys, I'm already on the Burgess platform, so let's get started with trading. And now I have already analyzed and selected all the currency pairs that have the most stable price movement and good volatility. You can see them right here. So today, as you already understood, we're trading on the OTC market. Next, let's move on to the indicators. So we're using the Alligator with default settings, ZigZag also with default settings, and Oversight Oscillator with a period of 20, and the MACD Oscillator also with default settings. So today we'll open trades in 3 stages and with 1 minute expiration time. So starting with $50, then $125, and the third trade will be opened with the remaining amount. And we'll conduct analysis on the 1 minute time frame and explain each trade in detail. And in addition to working with indicators, we'll also use technical analysis and various tools to find the most favorable entry point and avoid false signals. So, guys, let's begin and choose the first currency pair to open the most optimal entry point. Look, right here we are going to open the first trade for an upward movement. And the currency pair is AUT and CHF, and along the trend line, we just have a good touch point that has worked out, and a new trend is starting to form. Then we see a pullback in the dynamics and the formation of a local low on the zigzag. After that, the price moves upwards, and here we see the crossing of all 3 alligator moving lines, and therefore there is a potential for further upward movement, good entry point. And also, our nearest touch level is approximately in this price corridor at this level. So I think the price will tend to move right toward it. And the first trick closed in profit, so no need for additional position. And let's continue and find the next entry point. Look, he will probably open the second trade also for an upward movement. Now there is potential for a trend reversal. And here we draw a horizontal line, and you see that the global low has been updated, and previously the trend had a downward character. And after this low was updated, we can see the potential for new dynamics. And just like in the previous trade, the entry is quite similar. And we're opening after the pullback in the dynamics information of the local low, and a resize in the range from 50 to 70%, showing no crossing. So for now, we open the trade for an upward movement as well. And the first position closes at loss. We open an additional position for $125. And the third trade will be opened in the end for the maximum balance amount if the second one also closes in a loss. And guys, with this strategy and many others that I'm personally tested over the years, my team and I conduct trading sessions in our VP Traders group. So together with my followers, we trade, share results, and all the statistics are open, so nothing is hidden from you. And there are a lot of positive reviews, so I recommend you. If you still don't understand trading, you can trade together with us. All right. One moment. And at the start of the new candle will open the third position and just a few seconds left. We need to wait. Okay, that's a perfect moment. Right here we'll open a trade for the maximum balance amount. And guys, we usually trade with a higher expiration time, but here I'm trading on the 1 minute time frame to open as many trades as possible and show you my analysis, my strategy, and how I trade every day. However, during trading sessions, we open positions with 3 minutes or 5 minutes expiration time to protect ourselves from many false signals. And I know a higher expiration time just gives greater certainty. And now we have a very tense moment, the last few seconds. The trade closes in profit. So excellent, guys. My God. And there was really sharp pullback, as you can see from these three candles. But anyway, the local low has been uptighted. And the movement should still primarily go upward. And we're opening trade here with 1 minute expiration time. So sometimes there can be such a certain closing moments, but you can still see the dynamic formation of the current candle. So overall, the entry logic was absolutely correct. So let's analyze another entry point and another currency pair. And we will start again with $50 and select the next asset. And let's probably stop at Euro and GBP, this currency pair. And we immediately open a short trade. I think there will be a continuation of the downward movement since the local high on the ZigZag has already formed. And it's worth drawing a horizontal line and checking how strong the structural low is. Oh, it's not very strong. We can see that the price movement was located even lower for quite a long time. Therefore, therefore there is potential for further downward movement in the overall trend. And after the pullback and formation of the local high, we see the price moving down, so we open a short trade. And also look at the volume on the MACD histogram. We can see a reversal to downside. And the RSI moving line crosses the middle level from top to bottom, which confirms the signal. And the trade closes in profit, so excellent, guys. Now, this is a versatile strategy, and in the end, I just forgot to say, if you don't use technical analysis, as I do, it's a purely trend following strategy. But if you have experience and are skilled in technical analysis and know patterns and spend a lot of time on the charts, then this strategy is absolutely universal. So let's look at the results, guys. In our first position, closing profit, then we have 2 losses, and then again 2 confident wins. And as a result of the 5 signals, we got 3 wins, 1 loss, and overall we fixed $210 of pure profit in just a few trades. So great result, guys. And let's record today's profit. And yeah, we go to the withdrawal section. And I think for demonstrating the strategy, I've opened enough trades for today. And we withdraw 2 Bitcoin. And the amount is $210. So we pass to the wallet address and the confirmation code is already ready. Excellent! So withdrawal operation is successfully completed. Alright guys, that was a wild session, wasn't that? And the setup actually held up better as I expected, and that's what I love about OTC. And if you read it right, it rewards you fast. And catch you in the next one, guys. And guys, if you have any questions and you found some unclaimed moments during the watching this one, so go below the video, you'll find all the necessary links exactly to my Telegram where you can message me right now. And also, my dear friends, don't forget about my VP community where me, my team, and you, my followers, are trading together and get good results in trading. So if you want this one too, so go there and check it out and see you in the next one.